Hi guys, thank you so much for coming and supporting the House of Lydia, and welcome to another episode of cooking. We are in the kitchen. As you can see in front of me, we have something, yeah, and today we are going to cook a chicken curry. Okay, chicken curry. This is our chicken curry here, and here is our ingredients. This is onion, and this is our spices, our spice here. And here inside here we have tomato that I have blended. Okay, we are going to cook chicken. This is garlic, and plus this one coconut cream. Yes, and again we have this cooking cream, long life. Okay, my people, let us cook chicken curry, the yummiest chicken curry ever happen. Okay, let's cook chicken in the cooking. I'm using this to cook. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, that is it. Our onion is browning. Now I'm putting our tomato. There we go. The tomato, blended tomato. I stir to mix. I mix it so very well. That is how it looks, eh? Yeah, this is our mixture. Okay, yeah, we are still cooking, my people. We are still cooking. Our mixture is looking delicious. Now I'm going to add our ingredients, eh? I add our ingredients and stir, mix very well. Mix well. It looks so yummy. Yeah, even you wanna prepare chicken curry, this is my chicken curry, the method and the way I cook chicken curry. Tell me on the comment section how you cook your chicken curry, my people. And come kindly, don't forget to subscribe, give a like, okay, give a like, and again share. This is garlic, that is garlic, okay, garlic. Yeah, it's yummy, our mixture, yo. Mimi ndio huyo. Then it's now ready to cook, to put our chicken. Now chicken, this is our chicken, very well and clean. Yo, look at that, look at that, look at that. Yo, very saliving. Tell me how you cook yours. Tell me how you cook yours, my people. Tell me how you cook yours, okay? Tell me how you cook yours. Yeah, this is how I cook mine. So thank you so much. Let's continue cooking. Let me cover. After some minutes, now we return. We're still cooking, my people. Yes, we make sure it doesn't burn down. Okay, and again we don't want it to be smashed. Okay, yeah, so I turn it with care, a lot of care. Very yummy. Let us continue cooking, my people, until it's get ready. Okay, let's cook. Yeah, we are still cooking. After some time, now we have reached here As you can see, our chicken, I'm being very careful so that our chicken, because this one is a broiler chicken, I don't want to smash it. Yeah, so I am turning them very, very gently and careful, okay, so that we have our pieces seen, eh? Yeah, my people, what do you say? What do you think? And what do you think, my people? I always show you the progress of cooking in the kitchen. Yeah, you see, looks amazing, eh? It looks amazing. And now I am going to add a little bit of water, so that we get that stew, eh? We get that stew. And in this water, I have put water in this jug because it had the tomato inside, so that we get the soup and the stew. For eating rice, we are going to serve with rice. We are going to serve with rice, okay? Yeah. So this is the cooking I am cooking, my people. Okay. Hey, looks so delicious, eh? Looks so good. It's smelling so delicious, eh?
Please like and subscribe in the video.
Please kindly. And share.
And comment.
And comment.
And subscribe.
And subscribe. And support the house by super chatting, becoming a member.
Come back every day on
the house of Lydia.
And come back every day on Tuesday.
Every day.
On Tuesday.
Yeah. Now we are here. I'm going to add our cream, which is the coconut.
Eat it right now.
Yeah. Like that. What are you saying, girl? Nana?
You eat it after you make the meal.
After. That is how it looks after putting my coconut cream or cream, depending how you pronounce it. This is how it looks like, eh? My chicken curry, okay? And a little bit of my cooking cream to make the soup. Yeah, I hope you understand. I'm telling you, it's smelling all over. The smell, eh? The smell. Yes, my people, and we are here. I think our chicken is ready, very ready to be eaten. It looks so delicious. Look how it looks like. Yes, it looks so amazing. The color itself is giving. The color itself is giving. Look at how the soup we got, very thick, very thick soup. So thank you so much for following and supporting the house. So make sure you like, you give me a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe the house of Lydia. I thank you all and see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.